So hello and welcome back yet again. It is time for another walk, and I don't know if this one's gonna have music added to it or not. It is a fairly brisk and windy day, and as you can see, we are back at the abandoned campground because it's just a good place to be. I kind of like it. I say abandoned, it's not abandoned, it's just closed for the season. But yeah, I figured we would just go for a walk, sit, chill for a while. All of those important things. And I can't remember when hunting season starts, so it's time to start sporting the orange again. Getting accidentally shot would be... let's just say that's low on my priority list at the moment. But yeah, the good thing about the campground being closed is I can go sit on my favorite thing without fear of some 8-year-old child deciding that that looks like so much fun to do and copying me. So anyway, let's walk. I really do like this place the best when it's all mine. Not really a hot take, but my take. Also, if you came along with me on one of my last walks when I was asking about why all of the colorful leaves were now all brown, I actually found a YouTube video that mostly explained it. I don't think I can explain it as well as the scientist who did the video can, but basically it has to do with photosynthesis and cell death, which sounds really depressing, but all part of the cycle. I haven't really gotten out and done much walking this week. We had a lot of rain. Probably not nearly what was actually needed. But I think it rained from maybe last Friday or Saturday until yesterday. Off and on. I mean, it wasn't constant. But it was much needed. It's been interesting because the nights have dropped down into the mid-20s to mid-30s most nights. So you wake up and everything's just a little bit crunchy. But then it's been in the 40s and 50s during the day. What little there is of day. That's the worst part about this time of year. I make jokes all the time that I'm solar powered. And it's mostly a joke. But there is just a kernel of truth to it. I love the quiet of winter, but the dark part of it does not make me happy. I can't really say that I have seasonal depression, because who knows? But when it starts getting dark around 5 in the afternoon, it's a little depressing. But the utter quiet of this time of year, I like that. It is a little bit weird not to be seeing any snow yet. Part of me loves it, and part of me just worries. It's not normal for this area. Little birds. It's so funny. By the time spring rolls around, this concrete path will be pretty much invisible. I think they must bring out a leaf blower during the camping season and regularly blow off the path. Because once all the campers are gone, it gets nice and cushiony. I actually like walking on it better with all the pine needles. Also, I hear swans. It's so funny to me how I think they like winter. I mean, as much as any animal can like winter. Everything gets quiet. All of the boats are off the lake. And they know the people that they can go to for corn. I'm not the only one by any means. I like the swans. Even the weirdo who likes to follow me around now. One of these days I'll have to get my son to grab the camera when I go down to feed the swans. Because there is one who I swear he wants to be friends. And it's a little weird and a little intimidating. Because he's almost as big as me. But he's never aggressive. He just gets really, really close. I kind of assume that he's one of the babies that just has been around me for a long time. I don't go out on this tree when there's kids around. I kind of assume that kids probably climb on it all the time, no matter what. But I'm not sure. It does make for a good photo op. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and chill, and then I'm gonna go for a walk. More walk. And then I'm gonna do all the normal things that I do every day. I don't think that I'm gonna put out a video tonight, except for the live stream that's normal. Not that it matters to you guys, because this will actually be going out tomorrow, but yeah, I think Friday nights I might stop doing my 9 p.m. video. I haven't 100% decided yet, but maybe. I'm going to turn that, and then you're just going to see my hand, because I am a professional. But yeah, anyway, I haven't made up my mind, but we shall see. Anyway, thank you for taking this little walk with me and coming out to sit on the coolest tree ever. Hopefully it wasn't too windy. We'll see when I get home what it sounds like. But thanks for hanging out. Please hit the thumbs up button. It does supposedly help. And I will see you guys later.